Time to take out these twists. Dusty looking. I almost went 3 weeks this time. The before, the side, back, front. Using Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. We have to do a smell check. Ooh, that actually smells really good. Yo, that smells good. Yo, can't waste none of this, eh? Can't waste none of. Put a little bit on my fingertips. Yo, there's that dirty. Jeez Louise. Massage the oil into the hair. I'm trying to get that shine. Can't wait to get the curls back. It's been so long. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, this is actually probably gonna look sick. We in the zone now. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. The oil just makes it separate like butter. I ain't trying to wash my hair, to be honest with you. How many we still got in the back? I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I could rock the twist out? There's just something so satisfying about just untwisting it. Want less breakage? Oil, bruh. Wanna repair your hair? And oil. Listen, I got type 4 hair, but this works on all hair types. Last one. There's just something about that feeling when you know you're finally done. I think that this actually looks pretty good. Looks nice and shiny and healthy. Hit them with the shake. Remember, this is what it looked like. This is what it looks like with it all out. No clue what the back looks like. So y'all have to keep it 100 with me. And the front.